I got to lower my prices. If you do that, you're going to be running in circles your entire career, and you're never going to make any money. So be really conscientious of that. Run your own business. Yes, you're going to be doing something that's, that looks similar. They're going to look like they service your clients, or maybe they're going to have some clients that you want, but it at the end of the day, it's going to be a different business. It should be a completely different business. You're not running their business. That's why I constantly tell people, stop with this like pricing, trying to copy people's pricing thing. Don't copy anyone else's pricing. You have no idea what those people are doing in their business. You have no idea why they're charging what they're charging, what the CEO is trying to buy, or what he's trying to invest in, or how he's managing his money, or if it's, it could be a side project and he's not paying himself whatsoever, and he could just be building it just to build it because, that's the type of entrepreneur that he is. They could have a full-time job somewhere else and never touch their cleaning business, and they just kind of let it run itself and put all the money back into it. And their pricing could be something, completely lower than yours because of that. You would never know. So don't go and copy people's pricing. Like you have to run your own business. And if you run your own business, you can stand out in your market. That's how you're able to compete.